Well, hello everyone. This is my new speaker. This is a BeFree sound speaker from 2017. The way how this thing works, each speaker box has a cord, and each cord are plugged in right here. For order them to work, it's right down here, and the model number is BFS-500. Let's do detail look. This is the volume adjuster. This thing goes up to 60. That's the maximum. Doesn't go any higher. For the video, I'm just going to leave it at 30. Right down here, we got the USB port, SD card slot, and 4 buttons. But besides that, let's get to the music. And yeah, the music is not going to copyright it. It's your generic NCS music. Something we don't like to do, but it's something for you to not to copyright it. But yeah. And that's all it. And yeah, it took a second just to load the music, but it's your generic NCS music. It's not going to copyright it. So that should be it. And this is me signing out. And I have another speaker to do. So we'll do that in another video. So yeah, this is me signing out. And make sure you like, subscribe, post notifications, leave comments for more content. And bye guys. Signing out.